All right, let's get flavorful.
There, I got it. Next veggie burger 101.
Okay.
Yeah, take 102.
You keep it real. See, that's how you know a sandwich. Thank you. That's how you know a sandwich is good. You just get a little bit on here. If you get a woman involved, there you go. Yeah. Everything is solved, right? Okay, I'm ready to taste this. And look, I'm not talking about this. San Diego, Seattle, and San Jose, California have ranked on the top for the most vegetarian-friendly cities in the country, but don't tell anybody, we're in Houston. I start with dessert. That one to me tastes more like a meat burger. And for me, it's been about 16 years since I've had one, so this is me just remembering way back when. So how much do you think that a burger like this would go for at a restaurant? I love this show because I get a chance to try everything at all of these restaurants. DJ Just Chris, hit me some Houston style. The way that we do things is we like to have a good time, we dance in the kitchen. I wish you guys could smell this. Excellent. And because it's the Burger Palace, I felt like maybe I should be a princess or a queen for the day. City Center has plenty of shops, boutiques, and restaurants. One of those restaurants is Ruggles Green. And Ruggles Green is known for their organic, gluten-free, and very tasty options. And because we're flavorful, I want to see how flavorful they are. There are plenty of myths about vegetarians. Food is nasty. Well, I'm here to tell you that that's not true. And that's what flavorful is all about. I'm going to give you a little bit of flavor and make sure that you're full. I'm Sid Simone, and stick around because we're going to get flavorful.